Hello everyone, I'm here with a final review on the album that I used for my Boxable box style 4. I think this is 4. Gosh, I hope I got that right. I should have looked it up before I came. So I showed you this box already, um, but I didn't get a chance to show you the album, and this is a treat. Why is this a treat? Because it's got pictures in it. And I have another call out, very important thing to tell you. This is the All Occasions album 2. All Occasions 2. I will link you down below. As of late, I've been obsessed with everything shaker, all right, which I made a shaker album cover. So I wanted to call out to you all that I do this type of framing a lot in my albums. There's lots of albums that I've created with frames and cutouts and all sorts of things. So having said that, if you get my Picture Perfect Volume 5 tutorial and you learn how to do the album cover in the shaker style, you can use any of my albums that have all these cutouts and make them shaker as well. So how cute would this be with a combination photo and shaker? All right, really, really cute. Okay, so I just want to stress that to you all, how fantastic that would be. And I could pull out a million and one albums here that I did these types of cutouts, but this video would be 3 hours long. So you can look at my past videos, go on my website, paperphenomenon.com, and choose whichever pattern you want, and you can make it a shaker album. But if you want to learn the method on the shaker, it's in Picture Perfect Volume 5. All right. So this gorgeous album came to us courtesy of Kathy Jacobson. She is just a wonderful person, and I adore her, and she shared her album with us and her beautiful family, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So she used the absolutely amazing paper collection by Graphic 45 titled Nature's Sketchbook. This is a perfect example of taking a paper collection that is pretty much themed based and using it for something other than that theme. All right. Most people would look at this paper collection and think you have to use outdoorsy pictures and gardening and whatever the case may be. I could be wrong. This is just my take on it. But she used this in the most fabulous way, and I can't wait to share it. I'll stop talking. She featured my patented binding system, Hidden Hinge 2. And she used Tyvek only, which I have to say I love because the pages even lay and flatter, and they're even more pliable, and it's just so easy, quick flowing, guys, through the album. All right, really, really nice. So here, a very simple belly band style pocket, and she just has a giant photo mat here with a 4x6. And here, just absolute gorgeousness. So on this page, she just decided to do it up with a photo, guys, telling the story right off the bat. And here is what I love: cropped down versions or smaller versions of pictures, which makes the album so much fun. It's just little bits of just fun stuff that are just coming through the album, and you get to just like, oh, look, there's a picture there. So think about just doing smaller pictures, cropping them down, and it doesn't all have to be the 4x6. You want your album to function for the 4x6. You want that option. However, it's always fun to be able to do these little pictures throughout the album. So check it out, guys. Showcasing the paper, but photos. Look at that gorgeous family. Look at that. These pictures. Ooh, let me get the glare out. The pictures are gorgeous. And you can see how beautifully you can get pictures in here. This is holiday photos. Holiday photos. Look at how beautiful. All right. Let me pull it out from under here. Little mat and a half with pictures and a journaling spot. So cute. Sorry, I'm looking at her pretty family. Just gorgeous. And some more photos. What a treat. So nice. All right, so photos go in there, as you can see. You still get to see the beautiful paper, which is what I love again about these albums. Just enjoying the paper, guys, and your precious memories. Paper and precious memories. Beautiful. These mats are perfect for portrait and landscape, so you can get both style pictures in here. You don't have to worry about do I need portrait, do I need landscape for this album. It works. Any picture style works here. And you could do 5x7s in here, a crop down version of an 8x10, which is perfect. Okay, and the picture count, endless. Okay, I would bet 100 plus. Okay, look at this beautiful. I got a perfect opportunity to showcase the paper. All right, and then when you open it up, boom, look what you get. Memories. Love. Some journaling. I'm so bad at the journaling. Kathy and her handsome husband. Oh, look how cute. Super cute. I'm so bad with the journaling. I got to get my journal game on. Look at that. How sweet. She's adorable. Beautiful. And I love that she did the mat and a half, guys. The mat booklets, or the double mats like I like to call them. Just super, super darling. Whoopsie. This way. And this way. Oh my gosh, I just noticed this. I think these are different times, I think. A picture within a picture. Showing the growth, I guess. How sweet. That's a really nice idea. I love that idea. Oh, and then this closes up like this. Again, beautiful paper. These photo mats here are just perfectly sized for either or, and she gives you a perfect example of how this photo mat should be treated. All right, here, portrait or, check it out, landscape. Portrait or landscape. So if this is a gift, it's the easiest gift giving album because you don't have to think about which orientation the photo should be. Super nice with the journaling. I love that she left this undone for a little tuck area. Really cute and smart. Gorgeous. Ugh, I can't take it. My favorite thing in the whole wide world, a paper clip. Oh, how sweet. This is literally a picture perfect day. It's beautiful. There you go, guys. You can actually put pictures in these albums. As you can see, another wonderful, what I like to call my deconstructed envelope. Beautiful. Except that this one is an envelope on steroids, right? It's got areas to hold your photos. Look at that. How darling. Just wonderful. I don't even have to say anything. The pictures say it all. Love. Whoopsie. My phone. Sorry about that, guys. And pocket over here. Well, she created this pocket with the pocket card, okay? Darling. Oh, I love that picture. Beautiful. Some more journaling. Aww. A very hot day in August. She's done. She's had enough. How cute. Which one I want to put in the front? Let's put this one in the front. So, so cute. And this one. Gorgeous. So when you open it, that's what you see. All right. Here she chose to do a photo mat perfectly sized for a 4x6 landscape, which is wonderful. This is the wonderful thing about these albums, that you can absolutely customize your photo mat. I give you that opportunity. You can do it, guys. All right. Large areas for a collage of photos. I love that she left paper exposed, which is wonderful. Again, opportunities to enjoy this truly gorgeous paper, because that is what it is. It's gorgeous. So photo mats. Oh, how sweet. Just darling. Oh, photo mats. Put this one in there. And I believe this was outside. There we go. And a little bit of that poking out. A sweet ladybug. And some more photos. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Not just me yapping about how wonderful my pages are, but actually seeing the photos in here. And the whole purpose of why we do what we do. Well, some of us just like playing with pretty paper. It's generations on in one photo. How wonderful. Some of us like playing with pretty paper, but you know, again, you can actually put pictures in here. So check it out. Darling. Let's see what we're going to have over here. I'm rearranging your pictures, Kathy. Or maybe I'm putting them back the way you had them, because I've looked at this album a couple times. There we go. And side pocket. All right, side pocket with photomat. And all of the pockets are in this album are oversized, if you will, because when you have a pocket and you want to put multiple pictures in there, the pocket has to be way bigger than the actual size of the photo because it needs room. All right. So this is a more oversized album. It's a bigger album. However, still super duper functional, a nice size. It's not a giant 12 by 12. Just really, really nice. Great opportunities. Again, your pictures, pocket cards. If you love the whole premise behind pocket cards, but you want to get a little more fancy, this is what you do. This is what you do. And when you actually load the pockets up, it will just keep everything in place. Check it out. How fabulous. Love. Oh, reading. Oh. 4 generations, guys. That is amazing. Meeting his great grandma for the first time. That is sweet. I love it. It's so pretty. More pictures. Look at that. Seriously. Gorgeous. Oh my God, look at that face. Aww. We have some pictures on the side here. Look at Christmas picture in this album. Totally, totally works. So think about, I always say pick your, where did I get this from? I always say pick, oh, this side. Pick your favorite paper. Pick your favorite paper. Love the paper and just put the photos in it. I have a final review of an album coming up that is totally off the wall. Actually has pictures in it, and I'll talk to you about all that when I get to it. But pick your favorite paper and then add the pictures. You don't have to. Some people like to do it, but you don't have to, you know, match the clothes with the paper, all of this types of a box that you put yourself in when you're crafting or when you're scrapbooking. It doesn't have to be that way, guys. If you start thinking outside that box, you can do so many pretty things, and this is a perfect example of that. Just so, this is a plaid background in this beautiful springy style paper, but it works. There's a little bit of everything in here going on. Love it. Just darling. Look at that. Wow. I love this, putting the Christmas card in there. I've never done a Christmas card like this. I'm not a card maker, so I think this is what I'm going to start doing going forward. I think I'm going to do it. Deconstructed envelope without the bands and in this beautiful kind of poster style layout here. What a great spread. Beautiful. Smart, smart, smart. Here she added some belly bands to the photo mats for some interaction, opportunity to display the paper. That's what it's all about, right? You're like, ugh, I got to show some more of this paper off. So nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, love this. Love, love, love. Popped out some of these images on the paper. I don't think these images are on the paper. I think she recreated a scene here. How sweet. And cut out the the dragonfly over here for some more dimensionality, and this is popped up on pop dots. So she recreated the scene here, guys. Really, really nice. And over here, sweet little photo mat always makes the album super fun. And we're getting down to the wire. Look at that. And a sporting event in this book with this paper. Amazing. So what a great way to use this paper. It's just really smart. Not for the same old. Lots of albums for graphic 45 paper. You see, you know, very ornate and intricate, absolutely beautiful works of art. And you're like, oh my gosh, how am I going to put a picture in there? You absolutely can, guys. This is the way you do it. All right, with this gorgeous paper. Look at that. Room for growth. Here is what is so fabulous. This album is amazing. It has so much room, but this is what I want to share with you guys as well. This is one of my photo mats and inserts. I don't know which one it is. Don't ask me. But if you if you look through my videos, you'll know. I made 10 of them, so I don't know which one this is. But this is the way you use this. Absolutely, you can use it as a standalone item. You can, you know, give this as a gift, stick a gift card in there. But this is why I made these. If you need to add more pictures, or the pictures just, you know, don't fit in there, or you want to add something else, you're still feeling crafty, this is what you do. This is a photo mat and insert. This is what they're for. Okay? So fabulous with pictures in it. And it's all about pictures. Look at this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at that. That is telling the story, guys. Gorgeous. And this is how it works. This is what it's all about right here. Check it out. Ugh, I love it. Beautiful. So thank you so much for doing this one, because it's just perfection. Enjoying those pretty cutouts from the paper, enjoying the pretty paper, of course, and your pictures. You can't go wrong with that. You absolutely cannot. Kathy, thank you so much for sharing your family with us and your memories. Just so sweet. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Super, super sweet. Well, there you have it, guys. This is the album that goes into the Boxable Box Style 4, I believe it is. And this is also a standalone album. This is the All Occasions 2, because I have a 1 and a 2 album, which is it's perfect. It's a great way, if you've done my shaker box cover, you can absolutely do it on this one if you want to, just to, you know, give more bang for your buck, do up the current tutorials you have if you already own it. Just a great way. And this is just a beautiful album, and I can't say enough about it. Thank you, Kathy Jacobson, for sharing with us. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.